Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Dal. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words. Let's start with Dal. In our last video, we covered the letter Z. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Dal is a new category. Look, this one, Dal, Dal, Zal, Re, Ze, Re, Je, Ye. Until this one, all of these letters from the same category that they just coming at the beginning and at the end. It means with the right side we can connect with them another letter, with the left side we can't connect. Look, middle, when it comes, like in this part, to the left side we can't connect. By this reason, the style is all the time the same. Style is all the time the same, not changing style. According to this topic, we have a discussion in our first lesson and second lesson. If you want to know more about this topic, you can look that video. Let's doll in a words. For example, dard. Dard. Dard means pen. Dard. The Dawood Sar Dard Kavi. The Dawood Sar Dard Kavi. Dawood's head hurts. The Dawood doll. This doll is like is acting like at this apostrophe s. The Dawood. It means Dawood's. Sar head. Dard hurts. Kavi means do. The Dawood Sar Dard Kavi. Dawood's head hurts. هغه د غاښ درد لري. هغه د غاښ درد لري. هغه means he. د غاښ toothache. Tooth. غاښ means tooth. درد when is compound verb. د غاښ درد toothache. لري has. هغه د غاښ درد لري. He has a toothache. که درد زیاد شو ډاکټر ته ورشه. که درد زیاد شو ډاکټر ته ورشه. If the pain gets worse, go to the doctor. که if that pain زیاد شو gets worse or become more, a lot. ډاکټر ته ورشه, go to the doctor. که درد زیاد شو ډاکټر ته ورشه. If the pain gets worse, go to the doctor. Dawa. Dal in another words like dawa. Dawa. Dawa means medicine. داوود دوا نخوری. داوود دوا نخوری. It means Dawood is not taking medicine. It means Dawood is not eating medicine, Look, khuri and nakhuri. Khuri means, eating. Nakhuri, not eating. Like it means the real word kharal means eating. You can say that taking is also means eating. Dawood dawa nakhuri. Dawood is not taking medicine. Dawood dawa khuri. Positive. Dawood dawa khuri. Dawood is taking medicine. Dawood is eating medicine. داوود انار خوری. داوود انار خوری. It means Dawood is eating pomegranate. Dawood is part name, Dawood. Anar pomegranate. Khuri eating. Dawood anar khuri. Dawood is eating pomegranate. Deval. Deval. Deval means wall. Da deval لوړ دی. دا دیوال لوړ دی. It means this wall is tall or high. We can say in wall we can say tall. We can say high. دا دیوال لوړ دی. This wall is high. دغه دیوال سپین رنګ شوی دی. دغه دیوال سپین رنګ شوی دی. It means this wall is painted white. دغه this دیوال wall spin white رنگ شوی دی painted رنگ paint رنگ شوی painted دی is look again دغه دیوال سپین رنگ شوی دی دغه mean this دیوال wall spin white رنگ paint رنگ شوی painted دی is دروازه 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 means door look we have two kind of words in Pashto one is darwaza and another is war darwaza is a gate like for example that is big one like a darwaza of garage and war is the small one door like that is in home house darwaza darwaza خلاصه کړه darwaza خلاصه کړه it means open the door darwaza door or gate خلاصه open کړه do دروازه خلاصه کړه open the door دروازه بنده کړه دروازه بنده کړه close the door دروازه again door بنده close کړه do دروازه بنده کړه close the door yeah now is the time to practice all this sentence with me I will say and you can repeat after me the only way to learn the language is practice and practice let's practice again درد درد pain د داوود سر درد کوي د داوود سر درد کوي Dawood's head hurts هغه د غاښ درد لري هغه د غاښ درد لري He has a toothache که درد زیات شو ډاکټر ته ورشه که درد زیات شو ډاکټر ته ورشه If the pain gets worse go to the doctor دوا دوا medicine داوود دوا نه خوري داوود دوا نه خوري Dawood is not taking medicine داوود دوا خوري داوود دوا خوري Dawood is taking medicine داوود انار خوري داوود انار خوري Dawood is eating pomegranate دیوال دیوال wall دا دیوال لوړ دی دا دیوال لوړ دی This wall is high دغه دیوال سپین رنګ شوی دی دغه دیوال سپین رنګ شوی دی This wall is painted white دروازه دروازه door دروازه خلاصه کړه دروازه خلاصه کړه open the door دروازه بنده کړه دروازه بنده کړه close the door If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk Briefly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want to complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.